If you've ever stared out a terminal window wondering why some planes have spinny fans and others are sleek tubes with fire-breathing engines, let's lay out the side-by-side truths. Propeller planes first. Big win. Efficiency at lower speeds and altitudes. I'm talking regional hops, island jumps, bush strips. They sip fuel compared to jets on short routes. They can use shorter runways, take off, and land slower reach places a jet can't, without a major airport. That opens up remote towns' dirt strips, budget-friendly charters. Maintenance can be simpler on smaller piston or turboprop setups, and tickets often cost less on short legs. But props pay in time. They're slower. Think 200 to 350 knots versus jets at 450 to 500 plus. Lower cruise altitudes mean more weather and turbulence to contend with. Cabins can be tighter and louder, and range is usually shorter. If you're crossing a continent, a prop will feel like dial-up internet. Now, jets. Advantage number 1, speed. You cover big distances fast. That's why airlines love them for medium to long haul. They climb high, 30 to 40,000 feet, riding above most weather for smoother rides and better fuel burn per mile at those altitudes. Cabins are often roomier, quieter, more comfortable, with pressurization optimized for long stretches. They also scale well. More seats, more cargo.